Let's break down IV drip rate calculations. It's way easier than you think.
Yeah, that feeling, we're gonna make sure it never, ever happens again.
Okay, before we even touch a calculator, you have to know your gear.
It's all about this one number, the drop factor. And it changes with your tubing.
You've got two main players, Macrodrip for most adults and Microdrip for peds.
And here's the magic wand for all of this, the universal formula. So you take the total volume, multiply by the drop factor, and divide by time in minutes.
Enough theory. Let's use this formula with a real-world, everyday example.
And because it's a standard Macrodrip set, we already know our drop factor.
Let's break it down into 4 super simple steps. You got this. Step 1 is easy. Just pull out the 3 key numbers from the order. Now, this next part is super important. The formula needs minutes, not hours. So, 4 hours times 60 minutes an hour gives us 240. Simple. All right, we've got our numbers, so let's just plug them into the formula. And the math gives us 31.25. But wait, you can't set a quarter of a drop. So you just round to the nearest whole number. That's 31 drops per minute. What does that actually look like? Well, that's roughly 1 drop every 2 seconds. So let's recap. Know your drop factor. Use the formula and always use minutes. See, you totally got this. So what other calculations should we tackle next?